What's up, gadget lovers, and welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews. Today, we're looking at something truly special. If you know the search, I know the search. We're all looking for the fun keyboard. The one that's perfect for gaming, perfect for typing, looks amazing on the desk, and doesn't clutter up our workspace. It's the endgame keyboard we're all chasing. Well, folks, the vegan new PIXI U98 might just be the answer. This promises everything: German engineered switches, insane pro level wireless performance, a hi fi grade sound, and a built in LCD screen. This isn't just an accessory, this is a command center. Let's get this thing unboxed and see if it lives up to the hype. So, what do we get inside? First up, the keyboard itself. This is the 95 key model in black. And look at that, it's a compact full-size layout. You get all the keys you need, including that precious numpad. But it's squeezed down to give you way more workspace and less clutter. I'm already a fan of this 98% layout. Inside the box, we also find a nice, long 1.8 meter USB cable. We have got the 4K wireless receiver, and yes, you heard me, 4K. Well, get to what that means in a minute. We also get a keycap puller, which is always a fantastic touch, and of course, the user manual. Alright, it's plugged in, and this thing is solid. First, let's talk about these beautiful keycaps. It features a very intentional two-part build that addresses requested curved opaque design. The tops are made of durable, high-quality PBT materials. This material is opaque and has a gentle ergonomic curve, providing a premium feel and great durability without the cheap-looking shine over time. This opacity is key to the subtle RGB glow. Instead of light bleeding through the on top, the light is channeled out through the translucent PC material on the sides of the keycaps to give it the classy pudding-style effect. But the real magic is what's under the hood. Starting with the switches. This isn't using just any random switch. It's equipped with the brand new Cherry MX2A switches. These are engineered in Germany and they feature the advanced gold crosspoint contact technology. Now, that's a lot of marketing talk, but what it means for you and me is smoother actuation, genuinely improved acoustics, and a staggering lifespan of 100 million keystrokes. And for all my fellow keyboard enthusiasts out there, the entire board is fully hot swappable. The sockets are ready to go. You can easily replace the switches with any compatible ones you want. And absolutely no soldering is required. That is the kind of customizable experience we love to see. But let's check out the sound. Oh yeah, that is clean. This keyboard is engineered with a 4-layer foam dampening structure. Its whole purpose is to eliminate that nasty case echo and annoying spring ping you get on cheaper boards. What you are left with is this clean, crisp, and deeply satisfying tuck or clack depending on your switch. It's an immersive hi-fi auditory experience that frankly you usually only find in very expensive custom builds. Okay, but what about the hardcore gamers? What about the pros who need speed and fast response? Well, Wager got you covered. This keyboard is equipped with a high-performance main control chip. In wired mode, it delivers an ultra-responsive 8000Hz polling rate. But what about wireless? That's where it usually falls apart, right? Not here. In wireless mode, using that 4K receiver, you get a 4000Hz polling rate. This keyboard also claims to have an ultra-low wireless latency of under 0.3 milliseconds. That is for all human purpose. Every single keystroke is transmitted with pinpoint accuracy, and of course, it has all key anti-ghosting and 100% NT rollover. No missed inputs ever. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. The customization here is next level. First, look at these keycaps. These are pudding style, and they have done something smart. The top is durable PBT materials, so you won't get that nasty shine over time. But the sides are PC material, which is translucent, allowing that 16.8 million color RGB to just glow. It's got music sync too, so your desk can turn into a full-on concert. But my favorite part is this, the knob and the LCD screen. This is your command center. You can manage your lighting, your media, and your connections effortlessly right from the keyboard. But it's not just for control, it's for monitoring. You can check your battery status, your APM in game, and switch profiles instantly. This is an all-in-one design. We already talked about the 98% compact layout, but the connectivity is just versatile. This keyboard features triple mode connectivity. You can go wired USB, you can use Bluetooth 5.3, and it can pair up to 3 devices simultaneously, or just you can use that high performance 2.4 GHz wireless for your main gaming rig. It's powered by a 4000 mAh large capacity battery which promises extended usage, and for comfort it even has 2-stage kickstand for tailored comfort and stability. Folks, this might just be it. This keyboard is an absolute beast. It's built for hardcore gaming, it's a dream for typing, and it's packed with features that make it perfect for both work and play. If you want to get your hands on this beauty, the pre-order starts on November 14th and the keyboard will officially release on November 21st. Click the exclusive link in the description to get an exclusive discount. That's all for today on Rafi Gadget Reviews. What do you think of this setup? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next big review. Stay charged, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.